Dear students, welcome to the English class. In the previous class, we had studied part 2, the story of the cricket. We had seen that the cricket in India, cricket was initiated in Bombay by the Zoroastrians, the Parsis, and they created the Oriental Cricket Club in 1848. In the memories of the cricket fans, one who played for the country was C.K. Naidu. He was the outstanding Indian batsman of his time, and he was the country's first test captain. And we had also seen that before the independence, the test cricket was contested between different parts of the British Empire. So this is what we have studied in part 2. Now in part 3, we are going to see the modern use of technology in cricket. Okay, so television coverage changed cricket a lot. And we can say that due to television, it broadened to the social base, and children could watch it, the international cricket, and learn their heroes and imitate their heroes. The technology of satellite television and multinational television companies created a global market for cricket, and matches could now be watched live from Sydney to Surat. So India had the largest viewership for the game and the largest market in the cricketing world. South Asia became the center of the gravity for the game, and this shift was due to the shift of the ICC headquarters from London to New Delhi. Again, we know during the 150 years ago, the first Indian cricketers, the Parsis, they had to struggle to find an open area for playing cricket. We had studied in the part 2. Now, see, today the global marketplace has made the Indian players the best paid cricketers in the game. This change was due to the popularity in the test cricket and the changes in the global commerce and technology. So this is what we had studied, okay, the part 2. Okay, part 2 tells about how the technology changed in the time of cricket. So television, okay, the coverage, television coverage changed a lot the game of cricket. Okay, it expanded the audience, of course, and the children who were living outside big cities could now watch and learn and imitate their heroes due to the television coverage. And you know, the technology in the satellite television and the worldwide reach of multinational television companies created a global market for cricket. So this all that happened in the cricketing game, okay, and I think almost we had studied the story of the history and the story of the cricket in the lesson chapter 10. Hope all of you have understood about it and learned properly about the cricket. So read 2 or 3 times the lesson and come prepared for the live session. Thank you.